Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to do call diverting. We want to divert calls to another line. So what we do, we can use this phone. It's like a landline phone. We get them from Telcom, but you can do your cell phone or whatever. So any number you want. So we are in South Africa. So what is gonna happen now? You're gonna use your country code. But now what we do is you say *2 1 star. Then you put the country code. Our country code is +27. Then you put the number where you want the calls to go. Where you want the calls to go. Do you understand? Okay, that's the number. Okay. Then you put a hash. So if you're from Botswana, you put your country code. You remove the 0. If you're from Swaziland, doing same thing. In the UK, USA, Dubai, China, Brazil, Argentina, any country, you put your country code using a plus. So the way your phone number gonna look, like when you're dialing local, you're trying to a local stuff, you don't put a plus. But now when you're gonna dial like international, you put a plus. So for us, we put a plus. Some people put 00, but 0 is those zeros. They could be 3, 4, or 2. They are represented by a plus, right? So once you do that, then you're done. Then you just say dial. Press dial. Okay, so IM code. You saw that it did that. It did work. So if it did work, let's try. I don't want to try whatever, but that's what I'm saying. We're done doing that. You get me? So when I wanna try do something. No, that's the way you do it. So also, if you want to remove it, in case you say, okay, I don't want to divert my calls anymore. Now I'm fine. Or you were going somewhere, then you come back and whatever, all that. So what you do, you just say, you press dial here, and you press star. No, you say hash 002 hash. But this phone, this is okay. The phone's calls were diverted. Okay. You can say call forwarding registration was successful. You can see what it tells you. Call forwarding registration was successful. So all calls I'm gonna call on this one, they'll go on that number which I put in the which I put. So whoever calls me here, I'm gonna be receiving my phone calls that side. But okay, since that is like that, then it's fine. So we say okay. Can say okay. After saying okay, if in case you want to remove it, like you say, I want to remove this, I don't want it anymore, you just press hash 0 0, no, not 0, what is it, 0 0 0, then 2, then hash. Once you do that, then you dial, it's gonna cancel all the diverting calls diverted. Also, if you suspect that my calls are diverted, you just put in that number, then you dial. Once you dial, it's gonna cancel it. But now I've done that. The reason why I did this is just to teach how to divert calls and also how to cancel calls. So I think there's a language which is called forwarding. That's what they call it, but in most cases we know it like called diverting. You divert a call from one number to another number. This number where we are here on this phone is we diverted calls from here to that number, the one we put it in here. So what I've been tested is, can you do it without having the number you're transferring calls to? I don't think so, and I don't know. But now what I did, the number which the calls I want to transfer in, I just used it. It's in here. You get me, in this phone. then those ones, then the numbers which I want to forward to, you don't need any permission or whatever. They just go there. You see how dangerous it is? Like you can even forward all your calls to someone else. Maybe your friend or your mother, and say, oh, my call's gonna go there. Or your wife's calls to go to you, or your husband's calls to go to you. It's up to you. Get me? So a lot of people does this for different reason. For, you know, you might have one phone and you're a businessman and you have another line where you want people to call you on, then that's it. That's what you can do. So I really don't know why you want to do this, but me, I do it because I have two lines, one for business, one for personal. So I find out, like, sometimes when I leave this phone, it's so big to move with it. Then I find a couple of missed calls. I say, sure, they call me here and I got to call back, you know, all those things. So yeah, it was nice to do this tutorial, and I hope all what I've done here is good. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask us. We will answer what we know. Sometimes we do it in time, sometimes we don't do it in time because of time. Yeah, that sounds so good. Sometimes we do it in time, sometimes we don't do it in time because of time. So, but some questions we answer, some we don't. If we don't, it means we don't have answer for that. But if we do have answers, then we do have to answer you. You get me? So that's it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Also share this content, leave a comment at least, and to appreciate us, and also that will help our videos go a little bit more viral. Let me say remove. So yeah, we really appreciate that small thing you're going to do, like to share, to comment. Those helps our videos to do what? To move a bit like on top of other videos. Plus, this is a new year. We in 6 months, like this is a year. Someone who did videos last year, he could be standing well because there's many comments and all that. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the coming video.